I didn't want to come back. I just went on a 2.5 weeks trips to Japan, Korea, and Taiwan with my husband. There was almost a culture shock when I came back. Although America has been home for the last 25 years, but it's still taking some getting used to. I think it's the quietness, or even a bit of loneliness that gets me. California has the most stunning nature, nice people, but there's something missing. We really like Japan. We like the culture, the nice people, clean public facilities, beautiful sceneries. More importantly, delicious yet cheaper foods, at least compared to the Bay Area price. Let me tell you guys a secret. I already started researching how to move to Japan, including visa process, cost of living, renting an apartment, and I started learning the language. But I have some unfinished responsibilities in the US I need to fulfill. For those of you who have been here for a while, you know I'm a dog mom. I have 3 senior dogs. 2 of them are 12 years old, one of them is turning 16. I will stay in the US to take good care of them, make the best of their senior years, take them to Van Life America with me, and see the beauty home has to offer. With that, I'm back from Asia, in America, where I live in the last 25 years. Let's begin today's travel journey. We're going to explore 2 of my favorite places in northern San Francisco, starting with Sausalito and then going to Hawk Hill. Let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome to Sausalito. This is a city next to San Francisco. So today we're going to start with Sausalito downtown. We're going to eat good foods, try their ice cream, and then we're going to drive over to San Francisco. On the agenda, we're going to go to Hawk Hill Trail. It's a trail on the mountain overseeing the Golden Gate and the San Francisco Ocean. Let's go.
Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw another long card.
这个应该是 grape， 是什么柚子
grapefruit 是吧？
好新鲜，好新鲜。
We're walking in downtown Sausalito now, going to find the ice cream shop. I got the mint chocolate chip, it's pretty good. And I'm in front of a wall of things I want to buy. It's actually the tumbler, the rope tumbler. I gotta show you guys close. I really tempted to get one. Today I'm with my friend Bob again. You've probably seen him before, at least 3 or 4 months ago from the Angel Island video.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know, Bob worked for tech, just like I used to work for tech. Almost all my friends work for tech.
Yeah.
So I'll have Bob introduce himself again in case you missed that one.
Hello everyone, it's good to see you again.
After we finish the ice cream, we're gonna drive over to Hawk Hill. So see you there.
Hello， 哇，好大的回啊 ，so much fog today。
好漂亮的云，山顶出来一点点，然后全是云和雾，好美好美哦。Hawk Hill. As I'm walking down the trail here, I'm eager to find out about its history. So I look on ChatGPT and here it goes. This place is located in the Marine Headlands near San Francisco. It played a significant military role during both the World War II and Cold War. It's part of the harbor defense system of San Francisco. During World War II, Hawk Hill was incorporated into the coastal artillery's defense system, known as the Fort Cronkite area. The primary threat at the time was potential enemy ships entering the San Francisco Bay, so the U.S. Army installed gun batteries at various sites in the marine headlands. We see many as we pass by today. This is the gun house. Let me show you the inside. This is a base for the gun, so that's what's under this big structure over here. These include coastal defense guns and anti-craft artilleries, aimed at preventing attacks from both air and sea. For Cold War 1947 to 1991, Hawk Hill's military significance shifted from coastal defense to air defense. Today, the remnants of the Cold War infrastructure, such as radar towers and launch pads, can still be seen at Hawk Hill, although much of it is abandoned and overgrown. Hawk Hill's military history reflects its evolution from a strategic coastal defense point during World War II to a key component in the United States Cold War air defense system. The site is now part of the Golden Gate National Recreation Area, so today we're exploring here. I learned so much about the history. I hope you did too. Let's keep going. 可以看到一点点金门桥。哇 Most of Golden Gate is in the cloud. We can see a little bit of tip. 哇，好漂亮，好美啊。Oh, I just come back from Asia, and now it's the first time I came out of home and exploring my homeland again. To be honest, I was really kind of depressed because I miss Asia so much. But after seeing this, I feel, yeah, America has its beauty. Everywhere has its beauty. It's just you have to find its beauty. 有彩虹哎 ，rainbow， 啊，真美。There's a lot of wind. I hope my DJI mic 2 is doing its job. Okay, so behind me is the Golden Gate, and we finished a Hawk Hill hike. It's chatting earlier that I just come back to the US for a week now from Japan and Asia trip. I listened to some podcasts from Huberman Lab and also this book called 4,000 Weeks recently. And there's an episode where they were talking about relationships. Expert in the podcast was saying that humans, we have contradicting thoughts simultaneously, and that's a very common and normal thing, such as we like change but we like stability, and they happen the same time. I'm mentioning this because I like America and I also like Japan, and I was chatting with my friend recently because the last video I put out was talking about how it's sad, I feel useless being 4 months unemployed. But right now I'm feeling much better from the trip, and also I feel much calmer, less anxious. But I did get a lot of comments, at least 3, from my viewers saying that I shouldn't quit my job. I need at least 10 million in the Bay Area in order to live a good life for the rest of my life and not work anymore. So this 10 million number is like the new 1 million, like the new millionaire. And I was telling my friend about this, and she said, forget about 10 million or the number. It's really if you like your life. That's what we should be looking for. The book 4,000 Weeks was also saying the same thing. The book 4,000 Weeks, the author was saying, like, we in the current society, most people are looking for a sense of busyness, a sense of productivity. Like, you always need to be researching something, learning something, trying to find the next opportunity to make more money, to invest more. And I sense that from people I know. Like, the author said, like, what we should be looking for is a good life, a happy life, a freedom life. As long as you have that, you're already enough. You don't have to be chasing for more just because you want to feel you're productive. You feel more secure by chasing. But you really need to look at what do you have now, and is it satisfying already? If it's not, are you looking for things you don't need? Anyway, those are just things I've been kind of reflecting on recently, so I kind of wanted to share that every time I come out for a hike like this. All right, and thanks for my friend and the photographer who's recording this part, Bob. All right, so let's go look at Golden Gate. locks on this. And here is the Golden Gate. Well, you can barely see it. And then we probably go for dinner later. See you.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is